Welcome parents, teachers, and friends. My name is Emily Skelton and I am in Mr. Schwartz's class. I've had many memorable moments in my 6 years at Park, from kindergarten to 5th grade, and I'd like to share them with you. In kindergarten, I was in Miss Amoroso's class. We went on many field trips. For one of them, we went to the Marine Science Institute. I don't remember much about it, but we put a big net into the bay and caught many fish. I thought they were wriggly and gross. Back in Miss Amoroso's class, we raised fish, while Mrs. Marsh and Miss Oshima's class raised chicks and ducks. We watched them and studied them, and I'm sure I learned a lot, but that was 6 years ago. In 1st grade, I was in Miss Edwards' class. I remember we would write stories, and we made a storybook of all the stories. We also went to the zoo. My dad chaperoned on that trip. And I'm sure I learned a lot, but that was 5 years ago. In 2nd grade, I was in Miss Carr's class. I remember her dad or her grandpa came one day dressed like a cowboy and even brought a saddle for us to try out. That day we lassoed chairs and acted like cowboys. We also went to the Children's Discovery Museum. There was a huge wall and it had small plastic pins going through it. One side was white and one side was red. You could push them through and make a pattern. Many people made patterns with their faces. I'm sure I learned a lot, but that was 4 years ago. In 3rd grade, I was in Miss Parsons G and Miss Alvarado's class. I remember reading the BFG with Miss Parsons G and doing reading groups with Miss Alvarado. Also, one day a Native American man came to our class and we made face paint with rocks. We put water on the rocks and ground it in, then put paint on our faces. I'm sure I learned a lot, but that was 3 years ago. In 4th grade, I was in Miss Taylor's class. We studied plants and fish. We went to Recycle Works, Mission Dolores, to Sanchez Adobe, and to Sacramento to visit the Capitol and see where our laws are made. I remember at the Sanchez Adobe it was a cold day, and we walked around in a mud pit to make mud bricks called adobe. I stepped on a rock. Ouch. Fortunately, my mom brought a lot of towels so we could clean the mud off before getting into her car. That year, we also made a wax museum about important people from the past. I was Shirley Temple. I'm sure I learned a lot, but that was last year. This year, we have done many things. I remember running for Spirit Leader at the beginning of the year against Sarah Johnston. I didn't win, but my friend Sarah has done a great job. This year, I was in rocketry. Before we could even get a rocket kit, we had to do a lot of research about space and the physics of rockets. We went to Panorama School in Daly City to launch our rockets. My rocket went up, 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 and we thought it was in orbit, until last week. Mr. Avea came in with the news that my rocket had been found in someone's yard, so I guess it's not in orbit. A couple of weeks ago, we again went to the Marine Science Institute. This time, we went out on a boat on the bay. We caught fish, a bat ray, and a small shark, and lots of cute shrimp which were wriggly. We took water samples, studied mud, and looked at plankton. We were able to use our knowledge in science to help us do the tasks on this field trip. I'm sure I learned a lot, but that was this year. Wait. But seriously, over the past 6 years at Park, I have filled my brain with knowledge, and I want to thank all my teachers for that, and for helping to prepare me for middle school. I'd like to thank Mr. Van and all of my teachers for their continued encouragement in my time here at Park, and of course my parents, because they helped me with my reports and my homework and anything I needed. Best wishes to the incoming 5th graders. It's been a great 6 years. Thank you.